Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to import products in WooCommerce WordPress. First of all guys, I will need you to go to your WordPress dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin or just go to your localhost and /wp-admin. After that, log in and then open the dashboard. First of all, to get WooCommerce, you have to go to plugins and then click on add new. After that guys, go to search for keywords and then search for WooCommerce. As you can see now, it will appear here, which is the official WooCommerce plugin. How to know which is the official one? Make sure that you see how much installation it got and when it was the last update. So, now after we finish with that, you just have to click on install now and then activate it. Then refresh the page and you will notice that the plugin functions or menu are actually has been added to your menu. If they didn't appear, make sure that you have to go on to your installed plugins and look at your active plugins. If WooCommerce didn't appear here, that means it is not active yet, so go here, search for it and activate it. Now, how we can actually import a product into our website, which is pretty simple guys. All you need to do is click on here, products, and basically you will have so many options. You will have add new, import, and export. So basically, export is pretty simple. Exports are columns, etc. So you'll have them as an Excel sheet. And the same thing goes for importing. So you will need an Excel sheet with a bunch of informations. Like, let me just show you real quick over here. So it must be something like that. Let me just open this, generate a CV, and it must be looking something like that, as you can see here. Wait, let's Excel opens real quick. So it must be like giving it ID, type, give it a name, feature, published, visibility, and fill all of these informations with the the necessary ones, and then import it to your products through this button. So here import. Here you select a file and then continue, column mapping, import, and it will be done. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's how you can import a product inside of your WooCommerce. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.